Hey guys, it's George here again from Archer Drums, and I'm back with another little mindset video. In this video I want to share with you something that I have done for many years now, and it's really has helped me in general with my playing. And that is basically getting used to just singing 16th notes in my head all the time. Now this drives all my family and friends crazy, but I really don't care because it helps me actually practice literally whenever I want. Now the good thing with drummers is, although we can't necessarily take our kit and our practice pad everywhere we go, we can actually play a lot of rhythms with just our hands and our feet, which is amazing because that means we can practice when we're sat on the bus or on the couch or at a restaurant, or when your girlfriend's having a bit of a row with you, or anything that you, any situation that you're in, you can just practice the drums and it's really awesome. For me, I do this probably a bit too much, and I do get on people's nerves a little bit, but it's all good. So basically, I actually just constantly just tap everything I can. So kitchen worktops, my hands and legs, the couch, the dog, anything. I'm just tapping and tapping, and I'm just constantly going over drum beats in my head. And this is something that I want to really encourage you guys to do because it really is helpful. I've actually sat on the bus before now in a traffic jam, and I've actually learned like 3 or 4 songs, transcribing them in my head and writing them down just by working out what the drums are doing in my head and tapping along and working out how to play certain fills and listening to what sort of drums are being played and how they're being orchestrated. And it really is such an important tool to have, I think, because you do find yourself in situations like I've discussed in the past where you can't actually practice on a drum kit. So something that I would suggest you guys to do, just to get used to doing it, is just constantly singing 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1. And just keep on getting that in your head, and every time you hear a song on the radio or a ringtone or any sort of music or song, just sing along to it, you know, get the tempo in your head of that song or that music and just sing 1E and a 2E and a 3E and and it really is just a case of tapping along. And although people think that, oh, just tapping is being annoying, actually I'm practicing. I'm thinking about this drum groove, and it's helping me work on note placements and all sorts of things. So yeah, something that I thought I'd share with you guys because it really has helped me over the years. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know if you do this, and let me know, of course, any funny stories where you might have got in trouble tapping when you shouldn't have been tapping. I know I do it actually unconsciously. I don't even realise I'm doing it, and people say stop tapping, and I literally have no idea that I've been tapping, which I think is pretty great, and I think it's quite important. So yeah, let me know what you think, guys, about this video. Let me know if you do this yourself, and I will see you in the next video.